We're at Zion. We didn't intend to come here. How well can I see that? But the road that we were taking from Bryce Canyon to Valley of Fire, or Las Vegas, Las Vegas, took us right through this national park.
Because our phones died, and we blew another fuse thing, and then our charger broke, so our phones were dead, and we had to use an actual map, old school style. So that's how we found this.
True story.
Dark tunnel. Remove your sunglasses.
Now for a big tunnel.
Oh. Don't think that's...
Sun wasn't open long enough, it was still overexposed. See if we can see out this one. Oh, not really. And we're out of the tunnel. Now it starts to look a lot cooler. That is a big mountain. The red's not coming out really well on the camera. It looks kind of brown.
It does look pretty brown. There are some spots that look really red. It's cool.
We found it. This is where we're going to hike up. If we can actually park over here. Hopefully we can. Look at that person way up there. This is cool. I know you can't tell how steep this is. But this is pretty tiring. Yeah. Plus we're still at like 8,000 feet, I think. Still coming? My goal is to get on top of this red bump. That's what I want. Now it starts to go about straight up. Didn't look that tough from the road. It's a little scary hiking up this. What was there? I'm almost here. There's my bump, I'm just past it. I just have to get over there.